Hi, welcome all of you on platform of Your BD Education, and let me update you about the last dates of this week IITs. So I think this particular week there are two main IITs for which the last date is approaching, and that is IIT Bhubaneswar and IIT Hyderabad. IIT Bhubaneswar and IIT Hyderabad, the last date is 7th April. You know, IIT Bhubaneswar mein there is a written test, so 70% weightage will be for given for the gate score, and 30% weightage will be given for written test and interview. Just fill up the form, and soon I will make a video on written test, how you have to clear that. So those students who have relatively less gate score, they should actually try to get more marks in the written exam. So all the MTech courses and PhD courses, there is no MS course in IIT Bhubaneswar. All MTech and PhD courses have written test, and then 15 marks for written test and 15 marks for interview. So that is a golden opportunity for the students, because 70% for the gate and 30% for written test and interview. Keep preparing well. I've seen that immediately after gate, students do not bother about preparation for interview and written exam, but MTech courses also have interview. IIT Bhubaneswar is the example of that. So IIT Bhubaneswar is not going for direct admission. They are going to have written exam and then followed by interview for all the courses, and there are good courses also and good opportunities also, right? And IIT Hyderabad is the IIT which has come out with many new basically courses where opportunity to get admission is easier. Why? Because they are new courses and students are not very clear about the kind of placement opportunities available and all. So IIT Hyderabad is also the IIT which throws opportunities for self-sponsorship also. I will make a video on that also, whether we should go for self-sponsorship, because competition for self-sponsorship is very less. Gate is not required there. Even without gate you can go, but yes, there is a written exam. It is not that anybody can take it. There is a written exam, and I will make a video on that also, what is there in the written exam of IIT Hyderabad. So whether you find that self-sponsorship program as value for your money or not. As per the feedback of my student, that self-sponsored programs in IIT Hyderabad are, some programs are really very good and offering you 100% placement and very good placement and good return on your investment, something which we talk about in Niti Bombay. So that is good investment on your basically good return on your investment, good ROI for the money you invest. So how much money is invested there, and whether we should go for self-sponsored or industry sponsored, and what is the meaning of industry? Can teaching in engineering college be considered into that, or teaching in coaching or entrepreneurship? So what do we mean by entrepreneurship, sorry, this industry? That is what I'm going to discuss there. So these two institute, please visit. There are so many new departments they have opened up, and IIT Bhubaneswar there is 30% weightage to the written exam. So these two institutes are 7th April last date. Hurry it up, and then next approaching is IIT Bombay and some more IITs. I will discuss that with you, but first you fill up the forms for this. Thank you.